We do a variety of different jobs. We do anything from new commercial to existing commercial repaints, interior and exterior. We do wallpaper hanging and mural hanging. We do residential exterior and interior repainting as well. We'll do stain work, we'll do specialty cabinet and fine finish work. And so we do all of those items and all encompassing. Now what we don't do may be more important than what we do. We don't do any sort of industrial painting at all. We try to say that we're going to stick to what we know and what we're really good at, and we're going to try to be the best we can at that. That's not industrial painting. Everything else, all encompassing painting and decorating, we offer that at Rodgers Painting.